A chiropractor's salary ranges from $45,000 to $195,000. Chiropractors in the United States earn an average of $85,000. This salary varies depending on the chiropractor's experience, number of patients, type of practice, and location. Chiropractors in private practice tend to earn more than those who are employed by a clinic or health system. Chiropractors are healthcare professionals who diagnose and treat problems dealing with the skeletal system, spinal cord, and nervous system. They use a variety of techniques, such as adjustments and manipulations, to correct misalignments of the spine. As a chiropractor, your job description may include diagnosing and treating spinal cord and joint problems, providing physical therapy, and recommending exercises and pain relief methods. Most chiropractors require a minimum of 4 years of undergraduate education before they can pursue a 4-year graduate degree in chiropractic. In addition to completing a rigorous course of study, chiropractors must pass a national board examination. The job of a chiropractor involves more than just treating patients. They must also keep up with the latest treatments and chiropractic techniques. Chiropractors also often lecture or write about chiropractic care. Job prospects for chiropractors are expected to be good, as the demand for alternative health care continues to grow. Many patients find relief from chiropractic care, making this a very rewarding career.